This is a test to see if there's a lens flare, original lens protector on. This is a test to see if there's a lens flare with the lens protector off. This is a test to see if there's a lens flare with the diffuser set on. This is a test with the original lens protector on, panning around, 10 to 2 o'clock position up and down. With the official lens protector. This is a test, swinging around, panning up and down, 10 to 2 o'clock with the light, with no lens protector. This is a test, swinging around, up and down, 10 to 2 o'clock with the light, with the diffuser on. I'm shooting with the official lens protector on with the DJI Mic 2. As we walk by a street light, we get a flare to the camera. Right there is the flare. Perfect shot to now set up, get that flare, and show you what it looks like with the diffuser. On the top, right here is the flare. It should travel straight down depending on the angle. Test 1, 2, 3. Without the lens protector, nothing on. There is no flare here. It would protrude straight down. This is a test 1, 2, 3. This is the DJI with the diffuser on. There is no lens flare coming down. This is without a DJI lens protector. Test 1, 2, 3. I look for the street lights that would give me the flare. And then I stop and I set it up. I used a tripod. So this way I could concentrate on the flare and do my best to keep still with the lens protector on, lens protector off, diffuser on to give you the optimal shot. And this way you could decide on the 2 clips. This video is with the diffuser on, talking to you, telling you of the issues of DJI and its flare we called trumpets. I'm walking and the flares should be limited, minimal. Do we get flares with the diffuser? That is the question. If you watch my previous vlogs and videos, you would notice I would have flares. I am with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, doing the same walk, not the same talk. With the lights in the back and front and around, as we walk with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the official lens protector, we have flares on the camera. And they cause a certain type of glare, a trumpet glare. And that's not what we want in our action film. These glares, these flares, these trumpets, they don't look normal to some. Some like them, some don't. It is not the best if asked. Underneath street lights at nighttime, this is when you'll see these flares really come out. During the day in the sun, we can avoid the sun by, yes, not pointing the camera towards the sun. Always have the sun in front of you, on you. I'm shooting in subject tracking, a light 12 o'clock position above the camera, a light, and a light. If I just walk towards this way and then towards this way, will we have a trumpet flare with the official lens protector? And we'll finish it off by coming to the distance over here and walking off screen. I'm doing the same shot with the diffuser. I'm going to walk to the side some, to the other side some, and then back to the center to give you an idea of the light in the front on top and the lights behind. Then I'm going to walk towards the back, and then I'm going to walk off the screen to one side so you get an idea of what it looks like and you can make a decision. Not a perfect video, but it gets the point across, showing you what a diffuser can do. A diffuser may not be what you like to soften the background and put a glow on lights. I like the camera as is. This is the first time I'm using a diffuser, and we'll see what the outcome looks like in the editor. And we're going to walk and finish this with the vlog with only the diffuser and finalize. I'm shooting at 4K on my regular video mode, and I need to stop and set up in Super Night. Super Night may change the different way a diffuser would work. It may help out better or make it worse. It may give you the glow you want. On this side of the walk, we have lights. So this should do pretty good. I like shooting in video mode, and I'm going to switch back to that. I do want to change into HDR mode, so this way I could do all my tests. And that light won't affect me anymore. My video mode, I switch the color profile to H-Log. I normally have a H-Log set up. I need to reset my camera back up. But I have my video mode and Super Night mode correctly set up. And this will give you where your shadows, your foreground, background in different depths. It'll make nighttime, low time shots pronounced more. To each is their own. Everybody likes a certain thing. Now, H-Log and Super Night, people do not like for the reasons of they have no control of adjustment. I hope this test was helpful to somebody with these trumpet flares, trying to show how nice the camera can work when filters are placed on and done correctly. And I don't do things correctly. I simply grab and go. I hope that during the daytime I could get a couple of sample shots with the sun. And this way we get an idea of what it looks like. There are many shots to get with the camera. This was about nighttime street lights only. So you'll make a decision and we'll get to another video with the diffuser. And on that note, I'm Fish, and thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next one.